everyone, welcome to DigitalTech Educator. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe this channel for more videos and updates. Today we are going to take a look into how does a student may add response in the Seesaw class assignment or an activity. If you are new to this channel, please check it out our Seesaw intro and Seesaw tour. We will leave down the links in the description box below. So let's get dive in. So if let's say a student need to add a response, it's very simple. First thing he or she has to do is just make sure this assignment has been popped up in his or her journal. Okay, once it has been popped up, they can take a look at the written instruction, voice instructions, and the multimedia examples. Once done, all they do is just click the add response icon, the box over there. So it will direct us to the template. So over here it shows like a select student. This is because the teacher himself is been using this sample student to test out the assignment. Okay, so once it is super simple, because if let's say the student cannot remember the instructions, it's so easy. They can always click the view instructions on top of there so that they can always view the instruction constantly. So nothing to worry about that. If let's say the student want to record it, a voice, okay, like a reading, in case the teacher wants to test the reading, they can voice record it. Just click the microphone and it will pop up the red recording over there. So it's just that super simple. So once everything is done, once all the answers has been done, the students all need to do is just click the green tick button right at the corner of the template. This shows that this response has been added or this response has been submitted. And that's it. That how simple is this, and this will pop up in the teacher's journal as well. So let's check it out on the next video, how to get a feedback, how to send a feedback and explanation to the students. And that's it. We'll see you around. Thank you.